What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So according to previous news that we published yesterday, Samsung Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S24 won't use Exynos processor in any smartphone market. And Samsung will stop using its own Exynos chipsets in future generation of the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S24 flagships. But the game is not over here. According to the latest news, Samsung Exynos 2300 chipset is under development for the next Galaxy S23 official debut. Samsung Galaxy S23 Exynos model is seemingly still on the cards as the first SoC details surfaced on the network, according to a reliable tipster Roland Kant. On his Twitter profile page, Samsung has set its next flagship Exynos chipset's internal codename as Quadra. The Exynos 2200's codename is Pamir, and it was announced earlier this year for the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. While we are unsure of the upcoming Exynos chipset specifications and improvements, it may be launched as the Exynos 2300. The upcoming chipset could use the 3nm GAA fabrication process and have the latest ARM CPU cores and an updated Xclipse GPU based on AMD's new Radeon GPU. The mass production of 3nm chipset is expected to start later this year, perfectly in sync with the next Exynos processor, according to Sam Mobile reports. According to people familiar with the Galaxy Club, Samsung is developing two new Exynos chipsets, one for flagship devices and one for mid-range devices. The flagship chipset the company is developing has a codename similar to the Exynos 2200 for the Galaxy S22. To be more specific, the new high-end chipset is codenamed S5E9935, while the Exynos 2200 is codenamed S5E9925. So there will definitely be an Exynos 2300 next year, and the Galaxy S23 could be a candidate for it. But it's unclear what changes or improvement this new chipset will bring, and whether it will have an updated and improved AMD Eclipse GPU version. Another chipset Samsung is developing is the S5E8535. It is hard to speculate what this chipset might be. The Exynos 1280 that powers devices like the Galaxy A33 and Galaxy A53 has the model number S5E8825. So the S5E8535 could be a low-end chipset for Samsung's budget smartphones. At present, only the codename is known and the specific model cannot be determined yet. But let's hope Samsung optimizes these chipsets appropriately rather than screwing things up like this year's Exynos 2200 or Exynos 1280 chipset. Also, the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will receive a massive UFS 4.0 storage that will give next generation Galaxy phones a major performance boost. As well as the device will use third generation of a 200 megapixel module. It is expected that the new Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphones will be officially launched in February 2023. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.